Okay, great. So here it says how many quarts are in a gallon. Okay, so first of all, in math, right? We do have quarts, pint, gallon, um, so on and so forth, right? So these are what you call the English system of measurements, right? Because typically when you're in science, when you're in math, you would have to use the SI units or the system of international units. Okay, great. But yeah, it's abbreviated as SI units, right? So anytime you have quarts and you're referring to gallons, right? You have to remember that every gallon you have four quarts, and that's it. You don't really need to prove this because this is just the way they tell you for every 1 gallon, that's four quarts. That's something that you need to know. There's no way that you can prove this, right? So I think just as a straightforward, I guess, explanation, I'm just looking for 1 gallon is equal to four quarts, and that's it. Yeah, because there's a huge paragraph here, and I mean, I appreciate that they're actually trying to explain that gallon is a measuring unit for liquid, and it's widely used in the United States. But I think because we want information that's really quick, right? You can just say that 1 gallon is four quarts, and this is based on the English system of measurements, and that's it. That's the only thing that I'm looking for.